Good morning, Indonesia! Good morning, the world! I hope you're well. Today we're going to talk about the project. What does it try to resolve? Where do we want to go? And how are we going to do things? First of all, I remind you that this project cannot exist without you. So, like, share, or even subscribe to this channel for daily vlog, daily content. Most important, one like can go a long way. Alright. The concept, the idea, the project. One big valley here in Bali, Indonesia. 3 villages inside. We're trying to save a way of life, the tradition, the culture and everything else. I've been living in the jungle with them for the last 1 year. And I'm telling you guys, this valley is rich. Coffee, chocolate, vanilla, honey, fruits that you don't get back at home because it only grows here. So many other stuff that I've forget. Anyway, these 3 villages, all these people living in there wants to work with us and to be unique, to be the only and the first one in the world to realize an idea like that. To get the product, we process them, we sell them to the world. Jam, vanilla, honey, chocolate, we process them all, right? We find partners, bakers, pastry makers, resort, hotel, everywhere in Bali. We start local or we even start selling to you guys. These products are amazing. Mother Nature created us to fit an ecosystem. And she said, I'm going to put your brain in there and you're going to use this little brain to eat, to find medicine when you're sick, and so on, so on, so on. So, 100% organic produce, Big Valley, you are helping us. This is the first 100% funded by people project. That means your money will be invested into the processing, into working with farmers in a better way, pay them more, and a profit share. The rest of the profit is back to the brand, reinvest in itself, become bigger and bigger and bigger. I know that some other villages around the valley heard about the story. They really like to, hopefully in the future, work with us so we can extend. But we can also extend in the world. You know, every time there is money to be made, business people come around, rip everything, get the money, and then get somewhere else, do their own stuff. But not this time. This time is that valley is founded by you. And because there is no investor on the top, you get amazingly accessible prices. Coconut oil, vanilla for your baking, chocolate. Oh my god, chocolate. Chocolate is medicine as well. Come on, it makes you feel good. So, we're trying to resolve the world. Stage by stage, bit by bit, with your help. Send me an email to mamulahood@gmail.com. I will send you back a document that will tell you everything, how you can pledge. You can also donate $1 from 1 million people. That's a crazy idea, but you gotta do it. I used to be an airline pilot, right? And before that, I used to work with the horses. And now I want to do that because I want to push for more. Today it's not working well for anybody. It's only working well for the people on the top. You are not the people on the top. I'm not. These guys are not. So let's beat the system. Let's change things around. Pledge or work with us by offering a little bit more money. Some people want to do that actually. So I'm working with them in order to do more things. Until now we have reached $5,000. We need more. We need to go viral. We need to protect this valley for you, to make your life better, to make their life better, to get the kids back to school because some kids cannot reach school, to give them clean water to drink, stop buying plastic bottle. This is the ocean. And oceans in the world is full of plastic. So there's a way of dealing with that. Let's not mix the problems. Today we're here to talk about the project, but it's involving so many things around. It's an ecosystem. And this ecosystem starts with you. Let's start with them. And we are the brand. Mamula is the brand that connects everybody. First in the world, want to change the world, change the rules. Capitalism 3.0, do better than anybody else, collaborate a lot. Lots of experts want to work with us and help us and think it's an amazing project. We've got artists also who wants to design our packaging. Man, this project is going good, right? But I need it to go viral. And viral is only with you. So, like, share or subscribe to this channel. Daily vlog, daily content. We are trading legacies for the next generations. Make this world better. I hate to say, but we all have unfulfilled potential. Unfulfilled potential. In here. Push for more. So let's push together. Let's push together for more. You have a great day. I love you. Seriously, I do. I love to be human. I love the other guys. Amazing project. Take care. I'll see you tomorrow. Say goodbye to the ocean. Emotions. Goodbye.